Good morning, all. So let's start. Okay, today's class. So yesterday, we were discussing about tar command, and we also discussed about zip, gzip, and along with gunzip. So today we will continue about the same topics. The tar command is simple and straightforward. So if you want to create an archive, then we can go with tar command. And what scenarios we go with tar command? If you want to if you want to reduce the size on disk, or if you want to create a package for a specific software, and if you want to transfer the files to over the network, and even these are all the major scenarios where we go with the tar command. The syntax of tar command is tar-cvf file.tar. So ensure you must have to use the .tar symbol to avoid .tar symbol to avoid confusions. For example, if you are not going to specify .tar, so even we don't know whether it's a tar file or different file. So always use this option. And the other options are like mainly if you want to create a file, we have to use the hyphen c followed by f means file, c means create, and c means create. And along with that, so then one more thing is like so then if you while creating it, so hyphen c means create, v means verbose mode, f means file. So we have to specify the file name. Then if you want to add existing existing if you want to add a new file to the existing one, we have to use the r. So hyphen t means to view the content in tar file. Hyphen x means to extract all of the files in a in tar or a specific file. So after creation of tar file, so tar file will also create a new file with help of existing file. So if you are assume that you are going to create archive for 4 GB files of 4 which means the total 16 GB. So whenever you create a tar command, whenever you create an archive, so by default archive, the new archive file will contain the 16 GB, 16 GB. So in order to reduce the space, then immediately we need to compress it by using gzip command, or as part of tar command, if you use a z option before f, so we need to use the extension called .gz, so that the file size also will be file size also will be compressed. So these are the different options on tar command. So if somebody asks you that how the size will reduced by when you go with zip command, see the functionality of gzip compress pack to reduce the file size, basically to reduce the file size. So we go with we go with this tar command. So whereas if you want to know that how it reduces the file size, it follows a algorithm called deflate. So deflate is an algorithm. So with help of deflate algorithm, it reduces the file size. So inside the deflate algorithm, there are two more techniques. One is LJ77, and one is Huffman coding. So the LJ77, what it does is, wherever we are having a repetitive characters, those repetitive characters will replace with previous positions. And after that, the Huffman coding, what it does means, it will try to provide you the for the characters, it will try to replace the numbers, it will try to replace the numbers. That is the meaning of that is the functionality of LJ77 and the Huffman coding. So in general, for example, if I want to show you, so LJ77, we call it as Lempel G. This is a 1997. LJ77 means 1997. They have that is the version and all. So what they are trying to do. So with help of this one. So with help of LJ77, where replaces repeated bytes sequences with references to the earlier occurrences. Huffman coding means replaces common bytes with shorter bit sequence, and rare bytes with longer ones to reduce the overall size. So okay, just try to understand okay these two statement replaces repeated bytes, repeated characters. I can also call it as bytes or character sequences with the reference to the okay, earlier occurrences. So when you go with okay, Huffman coding, so the Huffman coding what it does means it replaces common bytes with shorter bit sequence and okay, larger byte with okay, larger ones and rare bytes with larger one to reduce the overall size. I will try to explain. So assume that okay, you are having a file called okay, there is a file. The file contains size as ABC, 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 ABC. Assume that this is the context on okay, this is the context on okay file. So first, what it does means, so in okay, as part of LJ77 compression, if you are having first ABC, then again ABC, 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 which means that it will try to identify. So it will try to identify okay this ABC ABC and okay it will consider that so this sequence is repeating so ABC again ABC ABC ABC. So what it does means so it will consider okay A is that okay first occurrence and okay BC literal okay here. So this is the first occurrence, these two are the combinations, right? Now these three okay the next occurrences wherever we are having it will mention, so it will mention it as okay 3, so okay, which means that so okay this is the okay next ABC repeated at offset 3, which means that so the same ABC again is repeating again it is repeating okay again it is repeating for example okay here okay 3, so this is the upset 3, I mean the third position again it is going to repeat. So it will what it does means this okay 3 again we are having ABC 3, right? 3 comma 3, which means that so ABC repeated at upset 3. So okay upset 3, upset means so what is the meaning of offset? The meaning of the offset means okay going for okay, I mean the distance to go back in the past data. So the distance okay, to go in the okay past data. So okay, we call it as okay we call it as so offset. So offset in the sense like mainly. So okay, I mean how far okay we need to go back. Okay, how far we need to go back okay in a past okay for that data. So for that okay data. So that is the meaning of okay offset. So here ABC repeated at offset 3. So okay here what is the offset 3, which means that so okay here I mean 3 positions back, go the so go 3 positions back. So here ABC and how many times it is repeating 3 characters, right? So again it will be a 3 comma 3. Again okay it will be having again ABC. So again okay for ABC another ABC 3 comma 3 3 comma 3 because so the upset will be a okay I mean so it will be referred that now this is okay referring to this one and okay this is referring to this one like that okay, it will be okay repeated that it will be so repeated. So 3 okay 3 means so okay 3 characters okay it is going to be okay refer. Now so okay then eventually how it the context will look like after LJ77 ABC so 3 comma 3 3 comma 3. So the characters it replaces with numbers, the characters will replaces with okay numbers. So then after that what it does this LJ77 is so LJ77 what it does they simply wherever we are having a repetitive characters in repetitive characters, those repetitive characters will replace with older positions okay older position older okay positions whatever the positions with offset values, that is the meaning of LJ77. So what Huffman coding does is so we are having now ABC 3 comma 3 3 comma 3, right? So now okay with the help of okay this LJ77 so okay the as part of Huffman coding what it does so it assigning the shorter binary codes okay to more frequent numbers. So what are the more frequent numbers okay here? So 3 comma 3 is the more frequent number. A is repeating one time, B is repeating one time, C is repeating one time, and okay this upset value is repeating okay 3 times. So for example okay if you are having that hues of text, the same it will try to I mean so each word or each character how many times it is repeating. So that is the motto of okay this one it will try to count it. So whichever is okay repeating okay multiple times, for that it will give as a 0, and whichever is repeating only one time it will give it as a larger, okay, larger, okay, numbers, okay, larger, okay, I mean, okay, numbers like 0, okay, for example, A 10, B 110, C 111. So, okay, I mean, it will try to, okay, it will try to, okay, give these, okay, starter codes. So at the end of that, what it happens is, if you go with LZ77, it replaces as ABC 3 comma 3 3 comma 3. These are the positions. Now, so what is the meaning of 3 comma 3? The 3 comma 3, so okay, it is going to give it as, okay, 0 0 0, because this 3 comma 3 0 will refer the upset values of ABC, right? So it will refer all of this. So which means that, so the original code, okay, the original code of, ours is ABC. So at the end, okay, it will convert it as, okay, 12 bits. It will convert it as, okay, 12 bits. So earlier, okay, how many characters are there? So okay, how many characters are there? 12 bits. So 12 characters, 12 characters into 8 bits. So in this case, 96 bits, 96 bits is the actual size. Now it is trying to replace every character with, okay, binary digits, right? So how many binary digits, okay, we are going to get? So 10, I mean, it's just a reference. So the eventually the entire text will be converted into the binary format. So as part of LZ, okay, as part of Huffman coding. So okay, even so, LJ77 contains the, so it will just try to replaces the repetitive characters will be replaced. The LJ Huffman coding will convert the data into the, binary format 0 and 1. So as you know that 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. So okay, here each character is having, okay, how many, what is the total length? So 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, okay, ABC 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 ABC. Total how many are there? 12 characters are there. 12 characters are 12 bits, we can call it as. So 12 into, so you know that, okay, 8, right? Each bit, okay, 8 bits is equals to 1 byte, right? So total, okay, how many, okay, character and byte almost, okay, same, not 100% same, almost, okay, same. So okay, here ABC ABC, right? So okay, here, okay, this 8 bits, it is going to be reduced it as, okay, single bit. And okay, even wherever we are having repeaters, it is going to refer that, okay, repeaters. So eventually, how many, okay, this, okay, this 96 bits, it is converting it as a 12 bits. So total how much space it got reduced? 87.5, okay, space got, okay, reduced, which means that, so if your file is having more number of, okay, repetitive characters and repetitive words, so you can able to climb more, okay, space. If it is having a unique numbers, we can't able to, okay, okay, we can't able to, okay, save it. So for example, okay, let's, okay, show you a few more example. So putty. So okay, here. So okay, vi. So for example, okay, zip, okay, for example, a dot, okay, txt. So in a.txt, I'm going to, okay, keep. So first a. So I'm going to, okay, keep it as, okay, a. Then okay, b. Then okay, c. Okay, then okay, okay, for example, let's go with, okay, a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q. So okay, for example, so a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n. So these are the data. So what is the size of, okay, this file? So okay, let's, okay, go ahead and, okay, save this. Okay, let's go ahead and save. So this guy, let's go ahead and save. Okay, this guy. So here, what is the size of, okay, this guy? Du hyphen, so h. So du hyphen h a dot, okay, txt. This is the one way to get a size, or okay, ls hyphen, okay, lh a dot, okay, txt. So a dot, okay, this is a 38, okay, it is trying to, okay, display. Now I'm trying to apply, so I'm trying to apply, so ggif, okay, for a dot txt. So okay, ggif for, okay, a dot txt. So now if you try to, okay, see the earlier, so for example, okay, du hyphen, so h a dot txt dot, okay, gz. Now also we'll be having a 4, okay, 4 kilobytes, so okay, 4 kb Earlier also it is having a, okay, 4 KB. So which means that, so if we are having more number of, okay, repeaters, we can able to, okay, reduce, okay, more space. We can able to reduce, okay, more space. So that is the functionality of okay, tar command and, okay, okay, ggip command. So ggip is a simple and straightforward. So ggip, that, okay, file name. So if you want to keep the original file, we have to use, okay, ggip hyphen c. So file name, then greater than, okay, the zip file name, the greater than, so zip file name. So these are the okay. I mean, if you want to gun zip again, so again, okay, we have to use the, so gun zip, okay, command. So for example, okay, assume that, so okay, assume that, okay, we are having a file. So okay, we are having a file. Okay, the extension of the, okay, file is, so let's consider, okay, you are having a file. The extension of the file is, so abc dot okay, okay, abc dot txt, okay, dot tar dot, okay, gz, tar dot, okay, gz. So for example, okay, if you download, okay, this file, first what you need to do is we have to use tar hyphen xv ZF. So tar hyphen, okay, XVZF, okay, ABC dot tar dot, okay, GZ, ABC dot tar dot, okay, GZ. This is the one way, or, okay, gun zip. So gun zip of this guy. Then after that, tar hyphen, okay, XVF, tar hyphen, so XVF, tar hyphen, so XVF. So once we execute the gun zip command, it removes the dot GZ extension. Once we, okay, execute hyphen XVF, it will remove that, okay, dot tar, okay, file. So for example, so okay, this is the file, okay, we are having, okay, india underscore text, right? So okay, let's create one tar file, tar hyphen, okay, cvf. So okay, abc underscore, okay, test, okay, dot, okay, tar dot, okay, gz, tar dot, okay, gz. So I'm going to use this, okay, jet symbol as well, so together. So okay, once, okay, okay, once you run this command, so okay, once you run this command, so let's see that. So how it, I mean, even a tar file can also contains another tar file. A tar file can also contains a another, okay, tar file. So ls hyphen lr, okay, th. So we're having, this is the file, right? The way how we, okay, okay, the way how we created archive and, okay, compress the file size, we can also use the same tar. Instead of, okay, c, just use, okay, just use okay, xv. So tar hyphen x, okay, xv zf, then, okay, abc dot tar dot, okay, gz. So after running this command, so let's create a one directory. So mkdir, okay, test test cp. So if you try to, okay, okay, Gunjib there itself, so you don't see that, okay, real, okay, use cases. For example, okay, now tar hyphen xvzf, tar hyphen, okay, xvzf. So just run this guy. So automatically we can able to get the, okay, file. So we'll be having a zip file. So okay, we are, okay, earlier it is having all the details, right? We can able to see that. For example, if you execute, okay, gunzip of, okay, this file, so okay, we can able to see that again. So gunzip of, okay, this guy. So okay, the dot gz exceptions will be, okay, removed. That exception gz will be, so okay, removed on it. So for example, okay, this is tar file, right? So if you want to extract what it is contains, again, okay, xpf. So this guy. So okay, we will able to get majority of the, okay, files. This is how, okay, we need to, okay, use tar command and, okay, gzip. So tar and gzips are having a tight integrations on, okay, Linux environment. Tight integrations on, so okay, Linux environment. And similarly, so we're also having, okay, we're also having another command called, okay, zip commands. We're also having a command called, okay, zip command. So this zip command we see it on, okay, Windows environments, right? So Windows, even though it is a Windows or, okay, Linux, it follows the deflate algorithm. Again, deflate is a combination of LJ77 and, okay, Huffman coding. So if you go with, okay, zip command, so what zip command, okay, does is, so what zip command, okay, does is, so with the help of, okay, zip command, we can able to create an archive, and, okay, we can, okay, create an archive, and, okay, we can compress the, okay, file size. So okay, gzip command, what it does means, if you go with a gzip command, it cannot take input as a directory. It can take only the files, regular files. It could be either tar file or regular files. Whereas, okay, if you go, okay, even ggip command cannot take input as directories, right? So in order to compress the directories and all, you have to create a tar file. Then later we can apply the ggip command. Okay, whereas when it comes with the zip command create an archive, and it also okay, it also reduces the file size. It also reduces the file size. The syntax is same. Okay, zip okay, file dot okay zip, whatever the file name you want to give, and okay inputs. For example, okay, file one, okay, file two, or okay directory one, okay, or directory okay two, like that. Okay, we can able to so provide the okay input. Okay, we can able to provide the so okay input. So for example, assume that so okay a zip. So for example, okay zip. So okay abc dot okay zip. So now I want to okay provide okay input as okay one file, one directory, one tar file, all of them okay, I want to give it. So just run this command. Oh, zip command is not available. That's fine. So we need to download this way. Download is not working. M-y install chip. Load plugins first. Okay, we are having okay, issues with m.repos.d that I didn't correct. So okay, the same functionality, the extension of okay GP is okay dot zip. So okay, we'll see that option as so for the gun zip. What is the gun zip of what is the extension of okay gzip? It is dot gz. Whereas okay zip file, the extension is okay dot okay zip. The extension is dot zip. And okay, similarly, so and similarly, zip hyphen I help. Since you don't have command, you don't get it. So whereas, so okay, whereas if you go with okay, whereas okay, if you go with so if you want to okay, if you want to okay bring back the zip file okay into the normal state again into that again to the normal, then again okay, we have to use okay unzip. So okay, zip is a command to compress the file sizes, create an archive, and compress the file size with the help of okay unzip command. We can able to okay, uncompress, and we can able to extract the data okay from the okay, zip file, okay, from the okay zip file. So these are the okay two commands okay, which are having on okay Unix okay to compress the okay file size, zip and okay gzip. So these are all okay different okay details. So similarly, so okay, we're also okay, okay, we're also having okay, another file or another commands compress and okay pack. So but these commands are not there, and even bgip. So all these are the commands will also okay uses okay, we also use okay, we also use to reduce the okay file size. Okay, this version we are not getting this okay compress and okay pack. So those commands okay, we are okay, those utilities are not available. Utilities are not available. So okay, we are not able to execute. But I will try to okay fix that repo issue. Then okay, we later okay, we can able to okay see that. So we are having a command called okay bzip2. So this is a okay, these are the different types of commands. Even if you go with okay bzip okay, we are having a zip, right? So similarly we are having a bzip2. So it is a so bzip2. So it is used to compress using the again it's a kind of okay, different algorithm. So okay, it follows the Huffman coding, and it also follows okay Burris Wheeler okay block sorting algorithm. There is a different algorithms. So compared to gg, you will okay, see a more okay, you will see a more compression technique. More size will be reduced. So okay, by using this okay bzip2 command. So bzip2 is the it follows okay two algorithms Huffman plus. So okay Huffman plus okay Huffman plus. So b means okay there is okay okay b means okay it's a kind of okay Wheeler block sorting. So Barrios okay Wheeler block okay sorting, it follows okay that algorithm okay as well. So the same bzip2, the syntax is similarly. So bzip2, okay, file name dot. We need to provide the extension. Okay, bz2. So because okay bz2, then later So okay, we can use this. Okay, if you want to keep the original files, we can keep -k, and okay, even okay, we can also use this. If you want to uncompress, okay, that are the commands of whatever okay having. So now, so for example, if you are having a zip file, so if you are having a okay, zip file, for example, let's go with okay gzip. So let's go with okay gzip command, one of the very important. So we are having this gzip command, right? So if you want to okay, if you want to view the content on okay zip file, either it should be either so okay it should be okay either okay zip file or any format, either dot okay dot zip, so okay dot zip, okay, and okay even okay if pack compress whatever it is. So okay normal commands, for example, if you go with okay cat, so cat of okay this command, so it will says that okay, I mean you can't able to see the data in proper format, you can't able to see the data in a proper format. So what we can do is, so okay we can able to okay execute, there are okay couple of commands. So if you go with okay strings, so this is the how okay yeah, I mean how it is okay added those details. Now if you go with okay zcat is a command to view the content okay from, to view the content from okay compressed files, to view the okay without of compressing, without of compressing okay your files okay without of okay gunzip, without of unzip, if you want to view the content okay, in a compressed files, we have to use the zcat. If it is a okay zcat, bzcat, so these are the so different okay commands okay whatever okay having. So for example okay which okay which cat, so we'll come to know that okay this is available in okay user bin cat, right? So ls hyphen l, so okay bin grep hyphen I cat. So these are all the different commands okay we're having zcat. So zcat and okay xzcat, and okay we're also okay having. So these are the two commands we're having to. So okay we're having to we're available to view the okay file content. So similarly, we're also having a grep command. So we're also having a grep command called. So getgrep means without okay if you want to search the content okay from a file, then okay we can use this okay getgrep. And similarly for okay egrep, fgrep, this and all we already discussed, right? So xgetgrep and xegrep. So these are the, so if it is a multiple extensions are available, we can also use the jet. Jet means it is a zip format. So from zip format, so read the data and okay, and displays the okay data. That's why jetcat and okay jetgraph are the important commands. You should be remember jetcat and okay jetgraph are the command to view the file content. Okay, to view the okay file content, and okay search the content okay from compressed okay files. So this is the okay these are the two commands you should be okay remember. So without of opening, if you want to see that, this is the okay option. So any doubts on okay here? So jetget okay jetcat jetgrep, so any doubts on okay these commands? Is it clear? So if you're having any doubts, let me know. Let me try to unmute. Yeah, so if you're having any doubts, do let me know. So it's clear, right? So now, today the next 30 minutes, so we will discuss about okay, special characters. So after that okay, special characters, so okay, we'll discuss about okay VI, so view, okay, then find, arc, okay, set. So all this will be okay discussed on okay, okay, I mean one by one if you complete about all these commands, the remaining commands are okay. We don't have much commands, but the major commands is for file operations only. File operations and okay those for major activities on file level, right? So before going to okay further commands which are special characters, if you're having any doubts, let me know. So basically, so Unix is having okay lots of okay special okay supports lots of special characters. One is okay star, then question mark, and okay then question mark, cap, then okay dollar, okay then okay hyphen. So okay hyphen okay hyphen. So okay I mean okay it will be okay. This is for star means okay one or okay more occurrences, one or more occurrences. Question mark means, so question mark means okay one or more okay occurrences. So okay single occurrence. So okay single okay occurrence. Okay single okay occurrence. And okay cap means, so okay beginning of the line. So cap means beginning of okay file. Dollar means end of okay beginning of the file, and okay end of the okay file. And okay hyphen means to keep okay range, to keep okay range. So flower okay, I mean this one means, so okay I mean hyphen means to specify a range, and if you go specify that okay this brackets, it will okay ask for one or more okay, occurrences of okay search only. And okay along with that okay, okay it also supports okay it also supports okay we know about okay this greater than, and okay double greater than, and okay less than, and double less than. So greater than means, what is the intent of greater than? It creates a new file. If the file is already available, it overwrites. Double greater than means append. By default every command is having less than. Less than means, so okay less than means okay input. So okay less than means okay input. And okay double less than means okay it is like the double less than means okay here document. This we will discuss on okay later as part of shell script. And apart from that, so okay these are the okay major major special characters okay which are okay having on okay Unix. And if you go with okay if you go with so okay if you go with question mark, let's see okay how the question mark is going to okay helpful. So if you go, okay, for example, so as part of ls-lrt, by default, this command is having a star symbol. Since we are, I mean, by default, okay, means by default, it will try to display the content in current folder, right? Not in recurse order, not in recurse order. So if you go with, okay, ls hyphen, okay, ls star, so you will, okay, it will try to display the output content from, okay, the content from this folder and this folder. And okay I mean the recursively it will try to display the so content. It's clearly stating that these are the current files in current directory, and a split underscore test is a directory. So inside that okay these are all okay we are having, and a test phase also directory. Inside this okay this much we are having. And okay we can also use ls hyphen okay ls. So if you go with okay if you go with so okay 5 question marks. So let's create okay some files okay touch. So a. So I have created okay this much of okay files. So if you go with okay ls question mark, if you mention okay ls question mark, so what it does means with the help of okay, ls question mark, it is a okay it is a okay it is a okay, I mean it displays as a single occurrence. So it will try to display the files which contains okay which contains file name as single character, which contains file name as like a single character. So if you go with okay ls hyphen l question mark, also it will be the same output. So ls hyphen l question mark ls, which means that The file name, okay, it displays the list of the files which contains the size as okay, which contains file, okay, no, file name length as a single character. So which means that a is a, I mean, there are four files which contains okay, there are four files, the name of the files okay, contains a single characters. And if you go with okay, double question mark, so it will try to display that okay, two digits. So if you go with okay, three digits. So if you go with okay, four digits. So if you go with five. So india.txt is also there. So .txt is extension, right? Okay, it ignores that okay, extensions, and it will display okay, those details. If you go with okay, 6, so it will try to display the okay, 6. So Russia is there. And 7, so we don't have any no such file or okay, directory. So it ignores the extension, and remaining names it will try to okay, display. That is the intent of question marks. With help of a question mark, we can able to, so okay, a question mark is a single pattern matching. So single pattern, so matching. If you okay, double question, okay, single pattern, okay, matching. Whereas if you go with okay, if you go with okay, star symbol, we know it, right? Okay, we can also use, for example, assume that we want to display all the files. Okay, all the files. Okay, you want to display all. Okay, you want to display the list of the files whose extension is .txt. So in this case, star means everything, right? But I'm mentioning that I don't want to display all. I want to display the okay, display the file names which okay, which ends with okay, .txt. So which ends with the so .txt. So star means all. So what is the extension I have given? Star.txt. Star.txt. So it will try to display the files which okay, which ends with, so it displays the list of the file names which ends with which ends with okay, .txt. Similarly, so okay, tar. So tar files it will try to display. Whereas if you go with okay, .gz, so okay, .gz it will display that only those extension. So for star symbol, if you are not passing any input, it will try it by default. It will display everything which is there, okay, which is okay, everything according to the situation and based on the command. So star means all. If you are going with okay, star with extension, okay, only the matched patterns based on that okay, based on that expression, based on that, so okay, expressions. Now, if you go with okay, same ls-lrt, so okay, cap means okay, beginning of the character, right? So caret means this is the, so okay, as part of okay, six symbol in numeric, we're having a greater than symbol, right? It's up arrow symbol that we can call it as a caret symbol. So if you go with okay, ls-lrt, so okay, grep, so cap means beginning. So if you mention okay, hyphen, it will only displays the files. It will only displays the okay, files. It will only displays the okay, files. It only displays the okay, files. So this is the one of the important notes you need to be remember. How do you display? So how do we display? Okay, how do we display? Only files from a only if you want to extract only files okay, from a given directory, we can use okay, hyphen symbol. And similarly, if you are going to use this okay, here capital R also the same thing. So whoever has so as you know that hyphen means if you execute ls hyphen lrt, if a beginning of character okay, starts with hyphen, so okay, we can call it as okay, we can call it as, so okay, we can call it as okay, we can call it as okay, we can call it as okay, file, right? For example, let's go it as like a cd dev. So we are having different types of the files, right? So here, so if you want to extract okay, if you want to extract okay, cap this way, so it will try to, so okay, I mean okay, beginning, so beginning, what is the beginning of the character? So cap means beginning of the character, then hyphen. So all files okay, it will be, so okay, all files okay, it will try to okay, extracts all files, it will try to so extracts. So okay, we don't have any okay, files okay, which are starting with okay, here. Whereas if you want, if you mention okay, D, it will extract all directories. So if you mention okay, L, all soft click files. If you mention okay, yes, so if you mention okay, yes, it is special files. So if it is a okay, so, okay, if it is okay, T, so okay, total, whichever starting with okay, T, it will display all those okay details. We are having total, right? So similarly, we are trying to get so all those okay details. So if you go with okay R, so remove that R. So okay, we just mention okay total. We just mention as a okay total. Whereas, so if you want to specify one or more such characters. So if you go with okay special characters of this one, if you mention okay B D S L, which means that so we are going to specify we are going to specify okay four matched okay four characters either of okay b, the beginning should be either of the b or either of the d or either of the s or either of the okay l's, okay either of the okay l. So it will try to display first okay soft links. So first it will try to so whatever it is okay order. So for example okay it is to the end. So first we are having l, right? So l it is displayed. Okay then okay yes then d, like that okay it will display the okay screen. That's why so the flower brackets means okay to flower brackets means to specify okay to specify one or more so okay one or more okay matched patterns, one or more matched okay patterns. So whereas in the same command, so if you go with okay dollar, so dollar means end of the line. So dollar means end of the lines. So in end of the file, okay, in okay, the end of the line, whoever contains okay, either B, either D, either S, either L, it will display okay, all those okay details. It will display so all those okay details. That is the so okay beginning okay meaning of okay this okay dollar okay symbol. That is the meaning of the this dollar okay symbol. And we know about caret. So whereas if you want to specify the range, so for example if you want to specify the range, so okay, we can use for example okay, in the same command, so in the same command, so if you want to specify okay b hyphen okay d, so okay b hyphen d, it will display b c d together. So b c d together, so which means that it is a range. So hyphen is used to specify the okay range, to specify the okay range. This is how we can able to okay use this okay special characters. We can able to use these okay special characters. So we're also okay having okay few more special characters. So this we already okay okay this we already okay, know about. Greater than means so creating the files or okay override the content. Double greater than means append. Less than means okay here document. Double less than means okay here document. So all these special characters, all the special characters, so all the special characters. So okay, we can use okay all the special characters. Okay, we can use. So okay, we can use with any command. So we can use with any command if there is a requirement. So okay, okay, if there is a okay valid okay if there is a valid okay use case. If there is a valid okay use case, star question mark and okay cap dollar. This we can use it okay anywhere. And one more is there question mark. Sorry, semicolon. What semicolon does is with help of semicolon we can able to so okay, we can able to execute more than okay one command. So more than one command at a time. More than one command so okay, at a time. So more than one command at a time. So how it is going to work? For example, I'm having a df, okay, then du, top, so uptime, okay, who, then okay, who hyphen okay b. So who hyphen okay b. So okay, who hyphen okay b. So in this case, let's see that. Let's this one. So just okay, use okay df, okay du, okay free hyphen h. So lscpu. So okay, lscpu. So lscpu, and okay, we'll also okay, specify df du lscpu, and we can keep okay, multiple commands. So for example, okay, ls hyphen ls. So how it going to work is first it will try to execute this command. First it will try to execute the so df command. Now after that okay du command. After that okay free command. So after that okay lscpu. After that okay ls command. After that okay ls okay command. So okay if you want to execute multiple commands at a time, then okay we can use this okay we can go with this So okay, we can use this. Okay, we can use this okay, this okay semicolon. Semicolon means to execute okay multiple commands at a time on command prompt. And we already aware of okay pipe symbol. So we already aware of a so pipe symbol. So pipe symbol is used to transfer previous command output as an input to the next command. As an input to the next command. So okay, we go with okay, we go with this. Okay, we go with we go with okay this okay pipe symbol. We go with this okay pipe symbol. So any other doubts on okay here? So any other doubts on okay this one? So I will explain about okay, okay double less than. So after some I mean as part of shell scripting and all. I hope it's clear for everyone the special characters. So okay, we discuss about okay star and along with that so, I mean, redirection pipes and all, okay, we use this one. So, greater than, double greater than. So, apart from that, okay. So, star means asterisk that we already discussed, and semicolon means single occurrence. Okay, then, I mean, question mark means, okay, single occurrence. Exactly, okay, it matches, okay, one character. And okay even okay, even okay tilde symbol, we know about the tilde symbol, right? So if you go with okay tilde symbol, what we do, so we can also use okay this tilde symbol. And okay we can also okay use this okay we can also use this back quotes. And okay we can also use okay single quotations and double quotations. This also okay we'll discuss, okay I mean as part of a echo statement. So this symbol, okay, what we call it as, okay, this symbol is a tilde symbol. So tilde, tilde symbol. So okay, this is a kind of okay backquote. So okay, backquote symbol. So single okay, single quotations. Okay, then okay, double quotations. And we can also use okay this okay we can also use okay normal okay brackets for okay mathematical calculations for okay I mean we'll use it for okay calculation purpose calculations. And we're also having a dollar symbol. Dollar means to access okay to access the value of okay variable. So what is the meaning of to access the value of okay variable? So for example if you go with okay here, so okay I mean just execute the env command. So in the env command, okay these are all the variables, right? So xx session, host name, term, all this one. So if you want to get the if you want to get the value, if you want to invoke the value of a variable, just to use echo okay dollar user, echo dollar okay user. So it will display the value of that variable. It will okay it displays okay it extracts the value of okay variable. So dollar symbol is used to invoke okay mainly to invoke okay to invoke okay to invoke the value of okay value of okay variable. This is the intent of okay this okay dollar symbol. So apart from that, so what else I'm just thinking it. So we know that again dot and dot dot. So dot represents the current directory, dot dot represents the previous directory. And okay slash means you know that okay differentiator. Pipe also we discuss. So okay less than okay less than, double less than, greater than. And okay if you want to run a process in background, so this we are also having a ampersand okay to run a program, okay to run a program in background. I just want to keep everything on here, but we'll discuss more about ampersand. So by using okay simply ampersand ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అంటే, so the meaning of ampersand is if you execute lsif ampersand, the program will run okay, run in background, not in a foreground. That is the meaning of okay, ampersand. So we're also having a backward slash. So we're also having a backward slash. So the backward slash, what it does means it will try to escape the okay, escape the okay character or okay, default okay behavior or a default so okay behavior default okay behavior. So if there is a if you assume that your file is already having a star, now you want to search that kind of content. So if you use that backward slash, it removes that okay it removes the okay, I mean basically okay it removes okay it suspends okay special it suspends that behaviors. And okay, we're also having a backtricks that okay we'll discuss backtricks mainly for. So the meaning of okay backtricks is if you are keeping anything in okay backtricks, so it will try to execute it as a command. So that okay we'll discuss on tomorrow. That's why I'm not going to write much on here. And okay then hash, we're also having a hash. Hash means comment. What do you mean by comment? For example, ls hyphen okay lrt. I'm using this ls hyphen lrt, right? So if a line okay the beginning of the line contains okay hash, which means that so okay this command will not be executed. It is a comment. So for example, ls hyphen okay ls hyphen l. So if you just okay use okay ls okay hash hyphen lrt. So okay ls hash hyphen lrt. So what it does, so it will only display the ls, then the lrt it will be ignored because the rest whatever if you keep hash means, so wherever you keep the hash, the remaining lines will not be executed. So if you are keeping it as a beginning, then okay, the entire okay line will not be executed. The entire line will not be executed. That is the intent of okay comment. That is the intent of the okay comments. So these are the max to max what we are having. So what we are having it on okay special characters. What we are having on okay special characters. So in order to okay, understand much more about single quotations, double quotations, and okay, backwards, you should be having a knowledge of echo command. You should be having a knowledge of echo command. So echo command is a simple and straightforward. In C, we are having a print function. So whereas in okay, Java, we are having a sys.out.print.ln. Whereas in okay, DBMS, whereas in the PL SQL, we're having DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. What this does basically, it is used to display the user defined text on a screen. If you want to display the user defined text on a screen, for that, so okay, we use this echo command, right? For example, if you go with echo, so okay, my name is okay, my name is okay vi. So it will display okay my name. So it will display the okay name. So after echo, okay, echo mainly. So after the echo, if you are keeping anything, so echo mainly to display the user-defined text on a screen. User-defined text on a screen. If you want to display, then okay, we can use this okay echo command. We can use this echo command. So even echo command is also okay having okay some options. Echo hyphen hyphen help. So okay, echo okay hyphen okay r. So okay, we can also use okay man. So okay man okay echo echo echo. So as part of man echo, so these are the three major options okay we are having on. So okay, these are the three major options okay we are having on. We are having it on echo command. So okay, echo command. So one is one is okay one is so hyphen n don't okay output the trailing new line. So for example, if you go with okay here, so for example, okay echo. So I am an Indian. So I am an okay Indian. So for example, okay, if you just mention, so this one, so we are trying to get so new line. Okay, we are trying to. I mean, after that, okay, you are getting a new line. Whereas okay, if you use okay hyphen n option, so you will see the okay difference. So which means that so okay the command prompt okay the prompt also it won't hyphen n means it suppress the new line behavior. So back hyphen n means to suppress the new line okay behavior. Don't output the, which means that so okay it suppresses new line okay behavior. It suppresses new line okay behavior. New line so okay behavior. So, for example, if you go with okay hyphen e, it enables interpretation of okay backslash okay escapes. It enables the interpretation of okay backslash. For example, assume that so echo okay hi. So for example, you have a requirement that you want to display okay, hi in one line, hello in one line, as you know that okay, backward slash n, so we can use the, so okay, backward slash okay n, so we can use this backward slash okay n, so backward slash okay n. So in this case what it does, so okay, back okay. I mean, even though if you're keeping that a backward slash n Newton operator, it is not invoking. So it is not invoking with the Newton behaviors. It is displaying as it is. Whereas if you want to invoke the special characters inside the echo command, then okay, we have to use. So we have to use okay hyphen e. So now you will see the okay difference. Hyphen e means so enables the interpretation of black interpretation of backslash. So capital E is not needed. Only these two are the very very important on echo command. On echo command. Hyphen N means don't output the trailing new line. Hyphen E means enable the interpretation of okay backslash okay escapes. For example, okay, the same command if you go with okay, hyphen N, so you will see the differences. So okay, RAM learning. So okay, okay, I mean you are trying to display everything and okay, I mean there is no, we're having a space, extra space, right? That extra space is okay removed. That is the, so intent of okay, that is the okay, intent of okay backward slash okay n. And okay, for example, okay, if you are going to use this okay here, so backward slash okay t, so okay, I mean it will be a tab delimited, it will be a tab delimited. So that's why if you go with okay man echo command, so man echo command, so hyphen n means don't. So if you want to enable the backslash backward slash n, I mean forward slash backward slash n means Newton operator escape from end. So, but we don't use this okay all this much. We always use hyphen e and so hyphen okay n. Hyphen n means alert to get those things. We'll use this okay echo okay command. So we'll discuss about okay what is this okay single quotation, double quotations, and okay double quotations, and along with okay backquotes. This okay we'll discuss on okay tomorrow's class mainly.